Hi, this is Gene from the Adobo Test Kitchen, and I'm here to show you how to make seared tuna kinilaw. And here are the ingredients. 10 ounces ahi tuna, 3/4 cup rice vinegar, a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, a half teaspoon of granulated white sugar, half a teaspoon of Himalayan sea salt, or you can use regular sea salt, kosher salt to taste, and 2 wooden skewers. You're going to begin by slicing the tuna into 1-inch cubes. Then you're going to thread the tuna cubes into 2 wooden skewers. Now you're going to season all sides with kosher salt. You will also want to spray the tuna with oil. Now you're going to grill the tuna over direct high heat for about 10 to 20 seconds per side. Remove the tuna from the grill and transfer to a bowl. Now you're going to add the sugar to the vinegar, then add the garlic powder and the salt. Now mix it well. Now pour the vinegar mixture over the tuna. Now you're going to cover the bowl, and then you're going to put this in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour before serving. So there you have it, my recipe for seared tuna kinilaw. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.